Hi again, this is a M1936 pistol belt, but this one's British made. It's M-Eco 1943, then British made. The U.S. stamping on the front. It's missing one eyelet. Also it has the soldier's name and number. Now I do have some information that I found on him. His name was Ralph G. Lamb, and he was born on October the 15th, 1900 in Kentucky. He joined active service on the May 12th, 1942, and he went on to serve with the Air Corps and was discharged as a staff sergeant on July the 5th, 1945. He passed away on August the 6th, 1978. Thanks for watching.